Hold IYABO very well for what happened to Mohbad. Hold IYABO very tight. I'm not saying it's IYABO that by Mohbad, but hold IYABO for an accountability on what happened to Mohbad. I have my reason. Let me show you this video.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LIZZY ANJORIN máa tún ti jáde o láti wá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. ẹ̀yin èèyàn, nínú fídíò yìí oríṣiríṣi evidence ó máa ní LIZZY ANJORIN gbé jáde o. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé kájọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí LIZZY ANJORIN ní láti sọ nínú fídíò yìí.
You see this video I'm about to show you. I've not become a speaker. I was just looking like this. Like I was paying this lover and paying all these people. As I this video that I want to show you. Let me show you the video. Guys, please kindly watch this video to the end. Do not break. Do not stop it. Please watch to the end. Now look at this. This lady saying this, let me show you who she is to IYABO Òjó. I don't know. The meaning, what she was saying is that 10 men will spy on IYABO Òjó's daughter and her son. That 10 men will spy on Priscilla Òjó. Then 10 women will spy on top of Festus Òjó. Then he said IYABO Òjó's children, Priscilla and Festus, will spy on miserable spy. That's his motto, that will spy Priscilla Òjó and Festus Òjó. And he said a lot of things that will make IYABO Òjó to know the end of our own children in a miserable form. That is what she was saying, because this is not for me. Because I didn't offend them. They were only doing this to forcefully collect ransom from me. That is the why I said, hold IYABO Òjó very well for what happened to Mohbad. I'm not saying she's the one that by Mohbad, but hold IYABO Òjó. She has been doing it for a very long time to a lot of innocent people, but people tend not to understand. Now, this lady that did all these causes, let me show you who she is to IYABO Òjó. See. You remember the one Hakim guy on the TikTok? Hold on, let me show you another one. Just hold on. You will understand the reason why I said hold IYABO Òjó very well for what happened to Mohbad. Watch this again. See. See another one. Hold on.
Alpha. Shosundada. Osundada, Shosundada. Shosundada, Lili Mapa, Shosundada. Oh, listen. Kusolu to away. Okay. Listen, Anjoni. Atibimo, Weary. Oh, soon. Momekosu, oh, P. Amawanukuni. Toba P. Alagaida. So come to be faking. So come you don't faking. Mondo is so the veshing. Why you want.
He said Priscilla Òjó and Festus Òjó that untimely death will buy them. That untimely buy will buy them, both Priscilla Òjó and Festus Òjó, and anything that comes from IYABO Òjó's body. Untimely buy will take them away in the front of IYABO Òjó herself. Now, look at another one. Look at another one. This is how IYABO Òjó set people up for dragging. And in case anything happens to them, IYABO Òjó will now pin it on innocent people. This is how IYABO Òjó has been operating for a very long time. Remember this video, Abimo, is like a month now. And do you know why I stood my ground to be facing them and be giving them back? Because I know IYABO Òjó was lying. It's a way of buying a victim. There's a two things. Is either you pay ransom under this lover, or they buy you. And the moment they buy you, they quickly pin it on innocent people. Now, let me remind you another one before I post my video. Let me. You remember this picture on Instablock? This is like a month. This is a month after Abimo. This is a month. You remember under Instablock? Remember I called on Baba Mohbad to come online that day and speak up. Remember this on Punch. You remember this on Punch? I told Baba Mohbad this very day. Baba Mohbad, I said, Baba Mohbad, come online and tell Nigerians the truth. If truly you said this or not, if you're the one that granted this interview, and the Baba came out that he was not the one that granted the interview, that Naira Marley knew nothing about his son by. Now, for you to know how IYABO operates, that very day, IYABO posted a video where she was in a labor room and there was no nurse, there was no doctor. Remember? And IYABO repeated the same thing when they were saying, Abimo. Before I give you an evidence that IYABO should be held responsible for Mohbad's crime. Because the reason IYABO has been playing tricks on Nigeria to cover what really by Mohbad, and the reason why IYABO has picked on people that are looking for justice for Mohbad, I don't know. Remember, there's something I told you. Remember the first video I showed you now, where they were cursing, where IYABO was cursing our own children, not my own children. You know, you've not seen this video for a very long time. You know, have I posted it? No. Did any blogger posted it? No. This is how IYABO targets her victims, bully them to point of no return. And after they buy, she quickly pin it on innocent people. Now, hold on a second. There's another video I want to bring to you. This same IYABO, remember what she said? She said private DNA has been done. See, she said private DNA has been done. Mohbad bastard father is fighting for a lost battle on arrival. Now, let's see. Is it for real IYABO's daughter that IYABO will know her hand truly gave birth, or IYABO was just pulling stunt to forcefully make victims to pay ransom, or to buy victims, or truly IYABO's daughter gave birth? Watch this video.
Ó sáré jàgbà ni o.
Did you see what I'm saying? So do we all agree that I was not dreaming or sleeping?
No, you're not dreaming.
Inside the blue bag.
That's a reality.
Look at that.
Spicy just this one.
Sister Titik, did you see that, or is it just me?
No, he's not you. He's a dog baby.
And you know what baffles me?
Hold on. I'm going to Amazon and to go and bring this doll baby.
I don't want to be a hater, please.
No, it's not about you being a hater. This is a doll baby. This is a real doll baby now. I'm going to Amazon. I want to go and download all those real doll baby. I'll bring it up now.
Look, can you carry a newborn like this? Be honest with yourself.
I don't know. I'm praying.
You know what's
funny?
Okay. All these people that she sent out, they were commenting, and without paying attention, they
put the baby in the shawl.
I don't want to be a hater.
Is this on? Wait, is it on Instagram or on?
It's on Instagram. Watch.
On Instagram. So we need to screen record it because you can download it.
I think Lola ALAO did not allow them finish that preparation. They were so excited.
You don't start to Shane, okay, you see the video where Baba do today. You see how Baba they cry. Lola ALAO no board now. She not get picking now. You see how Baba cried. Did you see how Baba cried? These people are evil. Clearly now.
Who are they fooling with this?
We don't even give a F about whatsoever that is going on with them. IYABO say. IYABO man sukunlori àwọn nǹkan tó kọjọ láyé ẹ̀ bó ṣe wà yẹn.
Look at that. Out of a blue bag. Hey. I thought I was dreaming.
Because they don't get life. No, they don't get life. So they feel destroy other people's life.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Do you think it's that easy for wise people to cooperate with this kind of thing?
No, I think they dress that room like an hospital, and I don't think that's an hospital. It doesn't look like that. It doesn't look like that.
But Canada, yeah, to America, Joe.
But the same settings in the hospital. Same setting for hospital.
Did you see that?
That's not an hospital. They dress it. I can send you where I was when after my surgery where they took me in. That's not how it is. So they use us.
That's true. They can say they wanted a scene. That's true. That they're acting. Look,
exactly.
you're right.
Did you see the video? Didn't I say that IYABO was lying? If truly IYABO's daughter, I mean Priscilla, that IYABO will know her hand. If truly she gave birth, IYABO would have scattered everywhere with video. But look at IYABO what she see. This video shocked me. This video that you just watched shocked me. As if they shock you, now they shock me. Now, if IYABO is not hiding something, why is she going to this extra miles to subject innocent people to bullying? What is that thing that IYABO is trying to hide? I mean, desperately hiding on Mohbad case? Because this is too extreme. I've never seen this type of things before in my life.